Software-defined networking continues to be a hot topic in the tech press. However, my advice to most enterprises is stop thinking about SDN. Thinking about SDN as a shrink-wrapped product that you buy to make magic happen, it's the wrong way to think. So let's take a step back so you understand where I'm coming from here. What is it that you are trying to accomplish in your business that your IT infrastructure as it stands today is preventing you from doing? And if the answer is our network provisioning process is too slow to meet the needs of our customers, okay, the answer to that problem might be SDN. The key here is that you've established a business need and that your business need is likely to be similar to other organizations like yours. Vendors have caught on to this, and thus what we see in the SDN space is a series of point solutions that solve specific problems. For those of you that are exploring SDN technologies, it's important to understand that SDN has become broadly defined by vendor marketers, and you're likely to see SDN slapped all over products with the loosest possible association to software-defined anything. So need to be fooled by that nor caught up in the hyperbole. The terminology, it just doesn't matter. Instead, what you want to do is look for those specific products that solve your business problem. Okay, so as you begin to evaluate products, SDN related or not, that purport to meet your needs, consider the following. 1, how well does this solution fit in with your existing IT infrastructure? You need to make sure that your operations people up and down the stack are on board with this. And I'm not trying to raise any false alarms here. Many SDN related solutions are going to work just fine with what you have, but still don't assume that. 2, these fancy point solutions from vendors, they tend towards vendor lock-in, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. I mean, vendor lock-in is what it is. If the solution meets your needs and the vendor is established, I mean, do you mind being tied to them for the useful life of the product? However, maybe your shop insists on interoperability and standards-based technologies, and that's great, but if you're thinking about SDN, you got to understand that in the world of SDN, there is no such thing as interoperable standards-based technologies. SDN solutions, they're still the wild, wild west, and as far as it goes so far, there's very little consensus forming on exactly how a network infrastructure should be structured to be quote-unquote software-defined. Okay, another consideration here, how will this solution integrate with your operational processes? One of the big drivers for SDN-related solutions is process and the desire to automate the creation of a virtual network. Maybe you want to apply complex security policies to groups of data center hosts, or you want to dynamically instantiate a QoS-regulated data path. Okay, these are the kind of things that drive businesses to look for SDN solutions. Okay? How will this product fit in with the rest of the automation your shop might already have in place to stand up applications or storage or compute? And I mean, there's no one right answer here, but the answer is something that you must firmly have before making a financial commitment.